Welcome to my channel. Today start the third unit Python. It's a class using Python. So already 2 unit completed. Now start the third unit. Okay. Yeah, already learned 11th standards the Netscape characters, how to implement the Netscape character, how to use the Netscape character. Today discuss about Netscape character. Here class 11 you had studied that variables refer to the another object and they are created when they are first assigned the value. In fact, the variable are found their values using the assignment operators. So the Netscape is a place where a variable name is stored and the value of the variable is bound of this namespace. The namespace is the mapping form of the object. It is thing which associated the name value in simple terms in a place where name lies. They are the create the different movement of have the different lifetime. So built-in names. This considers of the functions such as the main, min, max, min, and built the exception names. The namespace is created when the Python interpreter start up and then never deleted. The built-in names actually live in the modules. Some models are called built-in. Models called the built-in. So global name in modules. The global namespace for modules the created when the modules define read the normal letters until the interpreter quits. The statement executed by the top level invocation of the interpreter, they either read the script file or interactive or considered to be part of the module is called the oval global namespace. Next, local name function innovation. The local name space of the functions create when the function is called the delete when the functions return or rise on exception not handled with the function. The each recursive innovation won't locate the namespace. The talk about the class of object, class and object. Set the attributes of the object also namespace. It must noted that absolutely no relations between the name is a different namespace. The two modulars may both define namespace without any confusion because the function and prefix with the modulus name. So modulus name dot cmp relation with modulus dot cmp. Scope rules. The scope is the region of the Python program where a namespace identifies the accessible, the location where the names are assigned, the code determining the scope of visibility of the name in that code. Although the scope determined the statically during the creation program, yet they are used dynamically. So executing program at any time design the executing that are the lead four main things used. Yeah, this lesson discuss about how to use the local variable. Then scope rules what, global names what, built-in names what. So all of you understood. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. share your friends. Bye.